Hello. One of the questions I often get asked is, why do you have both a pattern master, which is with special curvy tools with lots of lines, and also with pink and green ruler? In this video I'm going to show you why they're both really helpful, but also what the difference is. There is a video concentrating just on the pattern master, so do have a look because it has its own special points which are great, but it's great to see it also in comparison to the flexible ruler I use a lot of the time. I've put the full name of both of them in the description, and both of them are great for either pattern hacking, commercial sewing patterns, even just fitting your commercial sewing patterns, or of course learning to pattern cut or pattern hack your own full garments. And if you didn't know already, of course you can learn how to do exactly that, design and pattern cut the clothes you'll want to wear every day on my pattern cutting school. I've put the link in the description below. It's something I've been doing for 7 years now, and it's a really nice, intimate, private place where you get to learn directly from me. So there's lots of videos, so you can learn at your own pace, but you also get direct access to me and get to ask me questions. And what I love about it, you are really at the center of it. So new tutorials are inspired by you. I'm always there to help, and I love seeing all my students make the clothes I really want to wear. So have a look in the description if that's something you really like to do too. And let's have a look at these two rulers. Point number 1, weight and flexibility. So the Clover flexible ruler, or any flexible rulers, they're super lightweight and really smooth. The Pattern Master is a bit more of a beast. It's quite heavy, and if I slide it around, this slides beautifully. This is a little bit more cumbersome. So for weight and flexibility, the Clover wins. The second thing to compare is measuring, which is what rulers are for. So they're very different. The Clover ruler is great because it's got 1 to 50 centimeters running in the same direction. So whichever way you twist it around, you're always going to have 1 to 50 left to right. The Pattern Master has the 0 in the middle and then 1 to 20, which is really great if you're measuring. You can measure in both directions from the same point. While with the Clover ruler, you sometimes sort of, especially as a left-handed person, I find I always have to move it around because quite often it's not in the right place. So I think for measuring, the Pattern Master comes out top. Next thing, very important for pattern cutters and pattern hacking, whatever you want to do, our 90 degrees. The Pattern Master has one 90-degree line, so you would lay it on any line you want to draw 90 degree from, and then you can draw left or right. This has lots and lots and lots, 100 to be precise, which means you can easily find it, and you can also sometimes find 2 parallel lines and lay the 90 degrees on there, and then you have a super precise 90-degree line. So Clover wins for that. From 90 degrees to 45 degrees, which is really important if you want to do something on the bias. The flexible ruler has one 45-degree angle here, while the Pattern Master has several, which is really good when you're working on big pieces. You can sort of work it out. You have a bit more room to repeat, but here of course you have to move it left to right. I also quite like how long they are. These are quite short, so Pattern Master on top for that. The next thing, parallel lines. So you can see the flexor ruler is basically all parallel lines. So it's really good for whenever you want to check something, you can really check it easily. And you got your 0.5 centimeter plus some millimeter lines as well. So that is super precise. The Pattern Master has not as many, but what I like is that it goes up to 6 centimeters. So the flexible ruler is only 5 centimeters wide, so you only can go up to 5 centimeters, while the Pattern Master goes up to 6. So I think this is a draw. They're both good for that. Next thing, accuracy. So As I already said, what is great, we do have millimeters on both, here and here, but on the clover we also have all the millimeters going parallelly, which we don't have on the patternmaster. The patternmaster is also that much chunkier compared to the flexible ruler, which makes it sometimes a little bit harder to draw really precisely. So definitely a win for the clover at that, especially if you like to do slightly off seam allowances like 1.2 centimeters or something like that. Let's talk about seam allowance in general. So the patternmaster, of course, is fantastic for any 1 centimeter to 6 centimeters on the straight, and then of course it's got 0.5 centimeter and 1 centimeter of the curve. So that is a real plus for both drawing in any armholes, any curves, anything you want to be, and also adding your seam allowance. The clover hasn't got any curves. You can, of course, when you're drawing, move it around to draw your curves. What is great, if you are a 1.5 centimeter or 5/8 of an inch seam allowance pattern cutter or sawist, then the green shaded area is exactly that width, which means it's really clear when you're drawing out your seam allowance, you don't suddenly slip. And that's something, especially at the beginning, with all these parallel lines, it's really easy to just slip one to the left or one to the right. And when you have a seam allowance which is suddenly wider or narrower in different parts. So the green one is a really good visual reminder of where your seam allowance needs to be. So I think they come out draw for that as well. Finally, as we already mentioned in curves, one of the great things about the patternmaster, of course, that it combines both the normal things you use a ruler for, plus the French curves as such. So if you're looking for all-in-one ruler, a patternmaster is a really good investment, and they're the same price roughly. So that's what I used when I was a student to begin with, and they're just great because especially with seam allowance on curves are really helpful when you're starting out. Once you really get into it, this is definitely worth also buying because it just, the lightweightness and the precision is great when you're really getting into making very precise patterns and you need that extra accuracy. And also if you're working longer, a little bit of weight difference and smoothness makes all the difference, especially if your wrists are, like mine, not the strongest. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. I would love to know whether you use either of these rulers and which one you prefer. If you'd like to, a thumbs up is always appreciated too. But for now, thank you for watching. Bye.